Hi, I'm Kelly. I'd like to show you my completed disaster recovery bot simulation. The purpose of this project was to build a robotic simulation of a disaster recovery robot that can be deployed in an emergency situation. It was developed in macOS Ventura on an Apple M2 Pro chip. The project was simulated in CoppeliaSim version 4.5 education version. The code for BubbleRob was written in Lua. The APIs used were CoppeliaSim regular API and the SimUI API for custom user interfaces. Now I'll demonstrate the simulation. My first task was to build the BubbleRob bot from scratch using a CoppeliaSim tutorial. This bot has a proximity sensor on its face, a real-time graph showing its distance to other objects, a vision sensor that streams real-time images, and a real-time speed changer. The bot reacts to obstacles by moving backwards and rotating. My second task was to add sensors to BubbleRob, add obstacles to the environment, and give BubbleRob a disaster recovery goal. This scenario is a chemical or radiation disaster in which communication has lapsed and people may be at home unaware of danger in the air. BubbleRob's goal is to explore the lot and look for people without getting stuck or falling. The obstacles are objects that may get in the way of BubbleRob's goal. I added a lightweight rod to the top of BubbleRob with a force sensor to keep the rod in place. Attached to the rod are 5 vision sensors. 4 are perpendicular to one another, and each one streams depth sensor images in grayscale to the remote operator. This gives the operator an intuition for BubbleRob's surroundings. A 5th vision sensor facing forward streams in color and has an associated widget that allows the remote operator to capture images and save them to disk for later review. I added 8 proximity sensors to the front of BubbleRob. 4 volume detection sensors to detect and evade obstacles. 4 ray detection sensors to detect missing floor. Now I'll demonstrate the features that I just mentioned. First, I'll show you that BubbleRob captures images. The images it captures come from this camera. Now you'll see that BubbleRob is going to avoid falling off of the floor here. And it's also going to avoid walking into that plant or rolling into that plant. And that's my robotic simulation. Thank you for watching.